Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to add link to Instagram story. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. First of all, open your Instagram application, then click on your story, and from here I'm selecting this short video, and then click on this emoji icon and scroll down, and here you will get this link option. Click on it, and after that here we can see an option to put our link. So I'm giving a link here, and after adding link, click on done, and here we can see a link is added here. And if you want to change the effect of this link, click on it, and here we can see it's changing the effect. And now if I view my story here, and if I click on this link, here we can see visit link instagram.com, and a new window will open with the link. This is how we can add link in Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.